Hi there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share the links externally from Chrome app on iPhone. Launch your Chrome app and open the website that you want to share, say suppose BrowserHow. So in order to share, what you can do is you can tap on this sharing icon in the address bar, which will open this panel and it will give you different sharing options you can choose from. Say suppose you have installed Twitter and Facebook and all other applications on your iPhone, the list will be appearing here, or you can choose this more and it will display all the different apps that are currently installed. Now if I want to send this link using messages, I can just select messages and I can choose to whom this particular links to be shared. So in this way you can share the links. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.